A sincere thank you to Undersecretary Helberg and the organizers of the Hill and Valley Forum for inviting Taiwan back to this conversation. We are here to bridge the gap between technological innovation and the policies that sustain it in a rapidly changing global environment. Over the past 2 years, I have spoken to this forum about why Taiwan matters for global peace, technological leadership, and democratic resilience. Today, I want to focus on how Taiwan is already delivering. Let me first address our security environment. Taiwan operates under constant pressure from China across every domain: air and maritime space, cyber and information operations, and economic coercion. This is not a hypothetical threat. It is our daily reality. And that is why Taiwan is moving decisively. Our defense spending continues on an upward trajectory, with a strategic focus on asymmetric systems, autonomous platforms, sustainment, and resilience. We are accelerating force training and civil defense preparedness under President Lai's Whole of Society Defense Resilience Framework, an initiative that treats energy, cyber, and communications resilience not just as infrastructure, but as pillars of our national survival. Furthermore, we recognize that integrating private innovation with indigenous defense production is no longer just an aspiration. It is an operational necessity. Last fall's Aerospace and Defense exhibition, the largest in Taiwan so far, marked a genuine inflection point. What stood out wasn't a single platform, but a maturing ecosystem. In close collaboration with our American counterparts, Taiwan's private sector is translating commercial excellence into defense relevance. We are encouraged by new initiatives fostering deeper U.S.-Taiwan cooperation. For example, new NDAA provisions supporting the co-development of UAS and counter-UAS capabilities signal a shift from a buyer-seller relationship toward a true defense industry partnership. For Taiwan, this creates a pathway beyond mere transactions, aligning our architectures with distributed, resilient production. Furthermore, while Taiwan may be a newcomer to space, we will not be absent. Leveraging our expertise in precision manufacturing, photonics, electronics, and systems integration, Taiwanese companies are ready to power next-generation space technologies. We see space, like autonomy, not as a standalone domain, but rather the backbone of an integrated architecture of sensing, computing, and rapid decision-making. Innovation cannot scale without infrastructure and sound policy. So, we are investing heavily in the testing facilities and pipelines that link research to real-world deployment. We are also working to align our security standards with U.S. requirements. In January, Taiwan's Industrial Technology Research Institute partnered with AUVSI to become the first non-U.S. entity authorized to certify drones under the Green UAS program. Additionally, we are introducing and expanding the CMMC process to enable our defense firms to meet the highest cybersecurity standards. Meanwhile, our private sector has taken the lead in setting global semiconductor manufacturing equipment security standards to safeguard the integrity of global supply chains for global technology manufacturing. On a broader and proactive level, the Taiwan government has launched 10 new AI infrastructure projects, which include AI robotics, ensuring that AI is not just confined to data centers, but embodied in physical, deployable systems, including future generations of unmanned systems. These efforts will enable seamless alignment with U.S. industry, meeting the growing demand for secure components and systems at scale. In parallel, Taiwan has committed $250 billion in private investments, complemented by government-supported credit guarantees to expand advanced semiconductor and AI manufacturing within the United States. Taiwan contributes to every layer of the U.S. AI hardware stack. We are more than just essential. We are a trustworthy partner. And to that end, we welcome the opportunity to participate in the U.S.-led Pax Silica initiative, joining like-minded partners to advance global AI infrastructure. We currently stand at a unique crossroads of history. This year, as the United States celebrates 250 years of independence, Taiwan marks the 30th anniversary of our first direct presidential election. Although our democratic journeys vary in length, they are identical in spirit. Liberty is more than a lofty value. It is a way of life. It is the foundation for the free exchange of ideas, transformative technology, and bold entrepreneurship that drives our future. In the global innovation ecosystem, Taiwan and the U.S. are not just competitors. We are indispensable complementary partners. Together, we will safeguard our technological advantage, fuel the next wave of innovation, and ensure a world that is not only prosperous but free.